When will the markets break out of this range? And is Michelle Wolf really that dumb? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And once again, a sleepy day. Maybe I'll get myself a Casper mattress so I can get a good day's sleep, because certainly there's been no trading action going on. The markets continue to drift higher. There was one attempt of a sell-off this morning. And again, one thing I want to remind you of is we don't care which way they go. We just want them to go. And we're in this slow drifting period. And typically, as we talk about all the time, dull markets will tend to drift higher, and that's exactly what we're seeing. It'll be no surprise if we do finally get up to the new highs. We've got Google's earnings coming out in a few minutes here. We've got Amazon this week. We've got Boeing this week. We've got, I think, a third of the S&P 500 reports this week. So we should see some action, and maybe that will be enough to bring us out of this range. It's hard to say. Again, we continue to be patient on the sidelines, observing, looking for a good opportunity. Again, individual stocks, we'll still trade them as we did with DBA and others. And of course, we like some of the other trades that are going on, but we're going to be very careful as to what we pick, because when you have a market that lacks volatility and lacks volume, you're really putting yourself in jeopardy instead of putting yourself in a position of strength. So let's sit back and relax. In the meantime, oil was bobbing all over the place, made a big run early and then collapsed. And within about an 8-minute period, it dropped about $1.60. We believe oil is going significantly lower. Gold, once again, somebody trolled me last week and said that the bottoms are in. Well, I guess they made a mistake, because they're still not in yet. Of course, we're down about $6 today. We're looking for probably, there should be some action around 1200 and then around 1180. If they can't break above 1240, it's going lower. That's really the numbers you want to watch. 1180 on the downside is a support, 1240 on the upside is some resistance. In between, again, there isn't a lot of real action there as well, so we want to be very cautious and careful there. The bonds got clobbered again, as we've been saying. Now the interest rates are rising. The dollar is up a little bit, but not enough to get excited. We want to see our black swan event remains. Dollar to between 97 and par, and the 10-year rates at about 3.5%. We're nowhere near either of those right now. So again, the markets drift higher. Bitcoin had a nice little rally again today. We're in the mid 7,000s. Grains, very sloppy trade, very mixed trade. Corn up slightly, beans down slightly, wheat down slightly. They were all higher at one time, but then came back. Cattle actually acted better today than I thought it would. It actually either was just positive or just negative. I thought after Friday's bullish report it might sell off a little bit, but it did hold up pretty well. I think you want to see if it's gonna give some of that big rally back a little bit. Watch 150 in the feeders, watch 107 and the fats as a potential spot to step in. But hogs, the October hogs that we're watching did rally nicely today, but they didn't hold on to a much bigger gain that they had. So we'll see how that trades out. And again, really, the overall facts here are simple. It's easier and better to sit on the sidelines versus getting too active in this market, because without volatility, you don't get rewarded for taking a chance. So it's much simpler to sit back, and if you find a good opportunity, then you jump in on the good opportunity and hope that you're at the right level. But at least you want to have the probabilities on your side. So again, we're going to sit back and still, I guess as we said, we'll get our Casper mattress and take a little nap. But has Michelle Wolf, has she lost her mind with her ISIS commercial? ICE is. Did you see that? I mean, to me, I don't get it. If you're not happy in this country, get the hell out. That's what I say. Okay, you've got a chance. You can vote. You can do a lot of things here. But to be ignorant is not one of them, or shouldn't be one of them, when you're making up these ridiculous commercials and trying to convert this country into a bunch of socialists and change the dynamics. Again, I understand our system is not perfect, but there is no better place. So if you're not happy here, I think it's time to go. Okay, just like everybody threatened when Donald Trump was going to be elected. In the meantime, this Michelle Wolf, with her comments of Sarah Sanders, and now her comments on Sarah Sanders, I think, and then on Ivanka Trump, and now with ICE are you kidding me? Please hit the road, Jack. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update and a little commentary here. But remember to check out our high school investing program. If you'd like to help us out, you can go to Patreon, patreon.com patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, don't forget to catch the Bubba Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you tomorrow with Bubba's Daily Update, and hopefully have some more action. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks.